Stop! If you are over 55 and still spending hundreds of dollars on anti-aging creams, you are doing it wrong, because the #1 secret to plumping, thin, crepey skin is not in a jar. It's in this 99-cent vegetable. Plain water can no longer hydrate our aging cells, but the silica found in cucumber water is the secret building block your body needs to rebuild lost collagen. I committed to drinking this simple 3-step recipe for just 7 days, and in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to reveal the 5 shocking anti-aging results I achieved. Stick around for the full recipe so you can start your 7-day challenge today. Ladies, if you're over 55, you know this truth. Plain water just doesn't cut it anymore. You can drink gallons, and your skin still feels like tissue paper. After menopause, our body cells get stingy. They don't want to hold on to moisture. That leads to that thin, crepey, papery look that's so frustrating. The secret isn't more water, it's smarter water. Here's exactly what happened when I swapped my morning water for cucumber water therapy for just 7 days. My fine lines looked softer, not gone, but plumper. Reduced the dreaded morning puffiness and that midday under-eye darkness. It's the natural anti-inflammatory in the cucumber. That angry redness and dullness? Gone. Cucumber's antioxidants are like a peace treaty for irritated skin, giving you a clearer, even glow. An unexpected bonus. My nails felt stronger and didn't chip as easily. This is the vitamin K supporting the strength of our tissues. Better skin starts in the gut. Cucumber water acted as a gentle detox, helping my body flush out toxins for that true inner glow. This is the authority building step. Explain why cucumber water is better than just plain water. The most important word here is silica. This trace mineral is the literal building block for collagen. You can rub all the collagen cream on your skin you want, but you need the building blocks inside to firm up and tighten the skin. Cucumber is packed with flavonoid antioxidants. Their job is to fight the free radicals that cause those deeper wrinkles. They are active warriors, unlike plain water, which is just a carrier. We need water that the body actively absorbs. Cucumber water is electrolyte-rich, which makes it more bioavailable, locking the moisture into your cells where you need it most. Prep. Take 1 English or hothouse cucumber. They have fewer seeds and less wax. Do not peel. The peel holds the silica and antioxidants. Infuse. Slice thinly and place in a glass pitcher. Pro tip: infuse overnight, at least 4 hours. The longer it infuses, the more nutrients transfer into the water. Drink. Start your day with a large glass and sip throughout the morning. Replace any sugary drink or second cup of coffee with a glass of this therapy. You've seen my 7-day results. Now it's your turn. Commit to just 1 week of this simple 50-second preparation ritual. You have nothing to lose but dull skin. If you loved learning about these natural anti-aging secrets, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Next, I'm tackling the one spice that stabilizes blood sugar for women over 60. Click here to watch. Cucumber water safety, why it's perfect for mature skin. The therapy's safety profile makes it ideal for women over 55, who often have more sensitive systems, take multiple medications, and seek gentle, natural solutions. As we age, our skin's ability to retain moisture drastically decreases, leading to that thin, creepy, dull look. Plain water often runs right through the system. Cucumber water is not a drug or strong supplement. It's 95% water infused with electrolytes like potassium and silica, making the water more bioavailable, so your cells can actually trap and hold moisture. Many older women take daily medications for blood pressure, thyroid issues, or cholesterol. Introducing strong herbal supplements can be risky. Cucumber water is a zero-risk replacement for sugary drinks or plain tap water. Its mild composition means there's virtually no concern for negative interactions with common medications. Inflammation, seen as redness, puffiness, or irritation, increases with age. Cucumber contains caffeic acid and vitamin C, powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Unlike harsh peels or strong topicals, cucumber water soothes and cools from the inside, offering a gentle, systemic reduction in inflammation ideal for sensitive, mature skin. The bottom line for elderly women. Cucumber water. Therapy is a gentle, natural, and low-cost anti-aging solution. By following the 3 simple steps to ensure cleanliness and a gradual introduction, you are choosing a therapy that is 99% pure benefit, providing critical internal hydration and collagen support without the risk of side effects common to many harsher anti-aging products.